Good morning, candidates. This is regarding cooperative banks. Cooperative banks, because Visakapatnam Cooperative Bank interview for probationary officer is going on. So I thought some information we can give about this. Here is a 10-page material on this. I am giving you the important points only. What are cooperative banks? A cooperative bank is a financial entity which belongs to its members who are at the same time the owners and the customers of their bank. It is often established by people belonging to the same local or professional community having a common interest. It is formed to promote the upliftment of financially weaker section of society and to protect them from the clutches of money lenders who provide loans at an unreasonably high interest rate to the needy. Cooperative banks are registered under the Cooperative Societies Act 1912. These are regulated by the Reserve Bank of India and National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development under the Banking Regulation Act 1949 and Banking Laws Application to Cooperative Societies Act 1965. Cooperative banks differ from commercial banks on the grounds of organization, governance, interest rates, the scope of functioning, objectives, and values. Just a minute. Hello? Hello? பூர்ணிமா கால் கூப்பிட்டுருக்கா செல்போன் லேண்ட்லைன் எடுத்துக்கோ இது அம்மா கீழே எடுக்கலாம் கீழே எடுக்கலாம். Yes, I was telling you about the cooperative societies. Some of the main characteristics of cooperative banks are customer owned entities, democratic member control, then profit allocation. A specified portion of profits are transferred to statutory reserves, inclusion of rural masses, functions of cooperative banks. It provides financial assistance to people with small means, supervises, guides affiliated societies, rural financing, urban financing, mobilizes funds from its members. Objectives of cooperative banks to provide rural financing and microfinancing, to remove the dominance of money lenders, to provide credit services to agriculturists, to provide financial support and personal financial service to small scale industries, to provide basic banking services to its members, to promote the overall development of rural areas. Structure of cooperative banks in India. The cooperative banking structure in India divided into short-term structure, long-term structure. Short-term structure has three levels. A state cooperative banks works at the apex level. The central cooperative banks works at the intermediate level. Primary cooperative credit societies at the base level. Long-term structure has two levels. State cooperative agricultural and rural development banks, primary cooperative agriculture and rural development banks. Types of cooperative banks in India: primary cooperative credit society, central cooperative banks, state cooperative banks, land development banks, Urban cooperative banks. Cooperative banks in India are as under, say, in India fund rural areas. Cooperative banks in India fund rural areas under agriculture, livestock, milk, nursery, personal finance. Cooperative banks in India finance urban areas, self employment, industries, small scale units, home finance, consumer finance, personal finance. Importance of cooperatives bank, it has extensive branch network, integral source of credit, confirms the requirements of democratic planning, provides support to small and marginal farmers. Advantages, easy to form, alternative credit source, cheap credit, encouragement of saving and investments, advancement in farming. So these are the things about cooperative banks. So best wishes. Thank you.